How to retrieve archived emails in Gmail. Hey everyone, it's me Shreya from Lemme Help. So let's dive into the video. First thing first, open Gmail app on your mobile device. Inside Gmail app here, you can see all your mails. Now all you have to do is keep one of these mail on archive. Let's choose the first one. Simply slide it to the left side and archive it. So now you can see your message has been archived. Now, how you can retrieve it is simply tap on the three dashboard in the top left corner of your screen. Now, once you tap on it, you will get to see left sidebar. From there, scroll down and tap on the all mail option available there. Simply tap on the three dashboard in the top left corner. Now scroll down and there you will get to see all mail, and here you can find your archived mail. You can see we have just archived it and you can find it. Now, all you have to do is tap on the mail, open it. After you open this mail, simply tap on the three dashboard in the top right corner of this mail. Then tap on the move to inbox and it is successfully retrieved. Now check all inboxes and here it is. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.